Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video, the most important video, this is for final year students, that is paper presentation of Ccma, that is cost control management accounting. How you are presenting your paper is must and should, and here in this video I will go on certain tips where you can score A+, or if you sincerely follow my tips means you can easily score O grade. Okay, how much you are preparing is not important, how much you are presenting your paper in the booklet is important. Okay, how you are presenting. Some of the students, what they will do means they will strike them. For example, if any mistake is there, they will do like this. You should not do like this. Okay, after coming your booklet, like this you will get your booklet. In edges you draw one line here. Okay, here you draw, and question number, big question number 9A, like this you need to write. For theory, minimum 3 sides. Front, back, front, 3 sides of the answer must and should for 12 marks. Okay, and for short, 1.5 side or 1 side of the page is important. Okay, for theory, whoever is attempting theory. Okay, so this is the important thing. And if you are writing the proforma means try to draw the proforma neatly. Okay, try to keep the side headings, try to keep the table name, debit, credit, everything matters, ma. Okay, final answer is not important. How you are presenting the proforma, whether you are posting everything in the proforma or not. Out of 12 marks, 7 to 8 marks, out of 12 marks, 7 to 8 marks will be carried only for the proforma and working notes. Some of the students will not write working notes, but working notes is compulsory, you need to write it. Okay, and in back side of the booklet keeps the heading rough work, and last page you keep rough. Whatever the calculations you are doing, better to do this one, because why I am doing this means, why I am saying this means, it will give a nice impression for the paper evaluator. Array, this student has done a problematic and calculations also, they will do like that. Okay, if any mistake was over, if the final answer was not tallied means just 3 or 4 marks will be deducted. Remaining 8 or 9 marks is in your hands only, that is based on proforma and whether you are writing in a correct way or not. Okay, that's why I will tell that prepare formulas, prepare proforma, and calculation is important. Carry calculator and write the whole booklet by with only black pen. Okay, as you are having a digital correction, they will you can use blue pen also, but compared to blue and black gives more clarity to your words. Okay, so see one thing, ma, your booklet will be only seen for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes for the paper evaluator. In that 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, in that 30 to 40 seconds, he will analyze your paper. Okay, whether this student is correct. So that's why what I will tell means, first starting, write the answer which you have well known. That answer you write. Later you draw the proformas and do. Whether it is, for example, here you have done the question, it is a wrong question. You don't do like this strikeouts. Better instead of that, keep one bracket here, write here wrong. Okay, so like that you need to do, ma. And if you are having any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section. Like that you need to present, and handwriting is also important. So this is all about the video. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups, because our channel near to 50k subscribers. Hope we will reach 50k subscribers by your examination, end of examination. If you are having any doubts and how you felt about the video also, you comment down in the comment section. Notes PDF is available in Telegram group. All the links I have mentioned in description box. Okay students, all the very best for your examination as well as the preparation. Hope everybody will rock in the examination. See you on the next video. Bye bye students.